Before we get into the magic of the city, let's take a look back. Part 1 was just a teaser. The grit, the travel, the transition. But this is where the ascension really starts to feel real. Welcome to Broadway. There's something about walking up those subway stairs in New York. It's like leaving one world and entering another. We were headed to the Marquis Theatre for something I've waited a long time to see. The Lion King Final Bow. Watching Princeton in this environment is a journey of its own. As an autism mom, you're always hyper aware of the lights, the sounds, the crowds. But seeing him take it all in, that's the peace I'm fighting for in this new chapter. This isn't just a trip. It's proof that we can exist in high energy spaces and still find our center.
Excuse me. Hold on, Princeton. Okay, go.
Being back in this atmosphere reminds me of the years I spent as a stylist. When I was working on Broadway sets, movie sets.
How was the show, Princeton? How was it? It was great. It was great.
And even in the salon that I worked, actually had one of the main characters of the Stanger Things movie, Winona Ryder, as a client. Life was all about hustle. Now, it's about the heritage. I'm carrying those experiences with me, but I'm doing it with a softness I didn't have back then.
What's his name? And Nala's cousin.
What's her name? Princeton? How old are you?
We're just getting started. Part 3 is where it gets really fun. Princeton was invited along with his cousins to some of the actors that play Michael Jackson
All right, Princeton, you got to get your
in the
autograph.
NJ musical.
Thank
That
you so
party
much.
is coming up next.
Nice to meet you.
If you're on this journey of trading chaos for stillness, stay with me. The best is yet to come.
It works great. Stranger Things in there. Okay. Who you play as?
I play young Karen Wheeler. So I play the blonde Karen Wheeler.
The one that was the witch, and then she had the spiders.
I have
on-
the cheerleader. Oh! Yeah, you're Mike's mom. I'm what? Mike's mom. Yes, I'm Mike's mom. That's my son. Character, right?
Okay,
Yes,
you want to get her to sign your
Yes, here.
playbill?
Hey dude, what's up? You mind if I sign this?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, you're Hopper, right?
I am Hopper, right. Yep.
What did you get?
Tell Auntie Calandra what you just told me.
What you say, Princeton? What you say?
It was great.
I knew you were gonna love
He said,
it. When that monster came down, he was like, so that was good, wasn't it? That was my favorite part.
girl, that show was so
Yeah, who you
good.
played as like the Lion King?
Right here, young Simba. Yeah, that's right there. What do you think?
Girl, that show.
He getting in. He's like, that's from the okay.
Wow.
Princeton, come back this way. Ooh, Princeton.